Ever wondered why your belly just sticks out when you're just sitting there relaxed?
Maybe you are looking for a nice body weight exercise that will help you keep those nice tight core muscles all year round.
Well, today we are going over one of the best core stability exercises that does just that. And you guessed it,
It's the plank.
What's up, Tboders? This is Ty from Tbodfitness.com. Today we are going to be going over the core stability exercise, the plank. The plank stabilizes the core by working the core set tight muscle known as the transverse abdominis. The transverse abdominis muscle is useful for giving your stomach that tight, held-in look, so you don't have to suck it in next time you're at the beach. The transverse abdominis muscle is also responsible for core stability. Stability of the core is crucial while doing numerous other exercises, such as the squats or deadlifts, as well as completing daily activities around the house without having to worry about throwing out your back. Let's get into how to do a proper plank. Setup for the plank involves finding an open space on the floor that is about the length of your body. On your hands and knees, you will want to move your elbows to the ground, right underneath your shoulders, and post from your knees to your toes. The plank begins when you have reached this position. The plank is different from many other exercises because it is a stability exercise. There is little movement while holding a plank. The only thing that is truly happening is a simultaneous isometric contraction stemming from the closed chain points of contact with the ground. This starts at the elbows and ends at the feet. While doing a plank, it is important for you to try to keep your spine neutral the entire time. Letting your hips drop too low can aggravate the lower parts of your back. You will feel your core work even harder if you can attempt to pull your elbows towards your feet and your feet towards your elbows. The difference is almost night and day. Attempt to hold the plank for as long as you can. If you can hold for 1 to 2 minutes, it may be time for a variation or a proper progression. If you find that doing a regular plank is a little too difficult for you, there are a few regressions that you can try instead. The first and easiest regression is to switch to your knees. This will cut the amount of weight you have to stabilize in half and make the now knee plank much easier to maintain. Try starting in a regular plank and then dropping to the knees to steadily increase your ability to hold a regular plank for longer. The second regression is to switch from your elbows to your hands. By doing this, you may find more stability while holding a regular toe plank and will only lose some of the work on the core that you would normally get from doing a plank on your elbows. The final regression is to manipulate the amount of weight you have to stabilize by moving your body through space. You can accomplish this by holding a plank on an elevated surface, such as a bench or the end of a couch. Once you've progressed to doing a regular plank for 1 to 2 minutes, you may want to add some variety in order to continue to progress through the movement. The first progression would be to add weight to your regular plank. I personally like to challenge my plank with a weight plate, but you can get creative with things found around the house. The second type of progression is to add variety to your plank. Holding the plank with 3 limbs instead of 4, or manipulating your body through space are great ways to challenge your plank style without feeling like your core stability routine is getting stale or boring. All right, Tboders, now you know how to properly perform the core stability exercise, the plank. The plank is especially helpful for strengthening the core and helping you keep that tight waist look, whether it's beach season or not. If you learned something new today, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Sound off in the comments below if you can hold a plank for a minute or 2, or if you have other exercises or topics you would like me to cover in future videos. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video upload from me. If you are looking for a customized routine that helps you to program the different styles of planks into a routine that works best for you, head on over to Tbodfitness.com. At Tbodfitness.com, we are dedicated to helping you improve your life. We offer online personal training, online nutritional coaching, and local one-on-one or group personal training. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to Tbodfitness.com, leave your email, and let's get started with your fitness journey today. Remember that success is achieved by staying consistent and always making the next right choice. How do you make the next right choice? By joining Tbodfitness.com. Finish strong.